Hi, you are welcome to my channel. I want to show you the method I use in preparing my semo. So you see this semo that I've made. Let me open it and you see the semo. It looks very smooth and fluffy. So the method I'm going to show you is the best method you can use to prepare your semo. It will look fluffy and smooth. There will be no seeds or lumps on the semo. So you can see the textures, very fine. You might even think that it's fufu or pando yam. So what you do is to add water in the pot. So when you have added water, let it get to the boiling point. So you check the level of the water. If it's too much, you take some out of it because you might use it later. So make sure the water you are using, the quantity of the water you are using is measurable with the size of the semo you want to make. So when you are stirring the semo, you stir it very fast. As you are pouring it in, pour it gradually and stir it very fast, so that there will be no lumps at the when you finish making the semo. There will be no lumps. So you stir it. So you keep the semo aside. Then you use your two hands to stir it very fast. That is how you're going to make it, so that there to avoid lumps or seed on the semo. So that is how you're going to stir the semo in the fire. It has to be on the fire as you are stirring it. So when you stir it to some extent, you can now leave it and let it be in the fire for a while. So if you touch the texture and it's hard, you can add water. You know the water I left earlier, so I have to add a little water because I don't want it to be strong. I don't want the texture to be hard. So I add a little water so that it will be a bit soft. So now that I've added water, I'll allow the water to absorb the semo, to boil and absorb the semo. And when it gets soft, I'll start stirring it again in order for it to be smooth. So I have to continue stirring it so that the water that I put in the semo will able to make the semo to look smooth and soft to the texture I want. So that's how you stir the semo until the semo texture is fluffy and okay for. So you always touch the semo, see how it is smooth or it's okay. So you leave it for some time, maybe like 2 or 3 minutes. So the whole process of making this semo just like 6 minutes. When the water is boiled, the process of when putting the semo and stirring the semo, it shouldn't be more than 6 minutes before it gets done. Then when it's done, you put it in your plate and serve. Kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel, share the video, and also put in your comments. I want to know how you prepare your own semo. So put your comments in the comment section. So that is the final result of the semo. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye.